I think real source of inner joys, as I already mentioned, whether believer or non-believer, you remain truthful, honest, and mentally you will be much more happier. At least much less anxiety, much less stress. Many anxiety, I think, very much connected with fear, distrust. So if you remain honest, truthful, anxiety much reduce, and fear much reduce, distrust much reduce. So long you yourself much less for anxiety, and your conduct with other people more truthful, more honest, then you can create your surrounding, your atmosphere, peaceful, genuine human friendship. With that kind of atmosphere and with that kind of community or family member, even though you face some problems, that problem may not disturb much your peace of mind. Clear? This is my fundamental belief.